Let's make a New York strip steak dinner. Yum.
We are ready to show that we are home cooking like frickin' pros for our families, and something like this you would be lucky to get out at a restaurant. You would be lucky if they put as much love, passion, and flavor into all those caramelized vegetables. You would be lucky at a restaurant if you got steak cooked this frickin' perfect. Hey y'all, it has been a frickin' day for me over here. I'm actually like pretty stressed out right now. Really busy editing client videos today, and now I actually have only 45 minutes until I have to pick my son up from school. So I'm gonna see if I can pull off a steak dinner, like a simple, like restaurant quality, but at home dinner. I chose it because I love steak at home. I did not learn how to cook growing up. I actually was banned from cooking in the kitchen because I made such a mess, and food was like the devil growing up because it made you fat. So once I was able to like reignite my fascination with cooking and interest in it for self-care, I got back into cooking, and I started with filet mignon because that's the obvious choice when you don't know how to freaking cook. So today I'm doing a beautiful New York strip. I'm gonna do it inside, even though I love to grill. It's just a little kind of nasty outside still. And I'm gonna make some veggies on the side, and by God, good Lordy, I hope it is done in 45 freaking minutes. Woo! Well, I'm going to start with a little base of some onion and pepper. Basically my favorite thing ever to saute up to serve with a steak. All right, nothing I love more than a big old fat. I feel like I have chia seed on me. Nothing like a short, bubbly woman who loves her frickin' knives. I have quite the collection here. Let's choose one to do some chopping. All the knives. Choosing this one today because it is sharp and blonde, just like me. It's actually my birthday too, so I need I'm basically cooking my own birthday dinner. My pantry is a hot mess, but it's full of food, and that's all that really matters. Need an onion. Got my hex clad. Freaking gorgeous. Feeling just a little bit stressed because I have literally 30 minutes to go. Just need a bunch of bunch of butter, salt, a little less pepper. Whew. I love this kit. A little paprika, maybe a little bit more. A little oregano. Smells so good right now. Yum. I mean, what is better than a layer of onions and peppers under a steak? Nothing. Woo! Gonna let that roll. Gotta get dirty up in here. I'm surprised it hasn't happened already. Lucky me, I have some frozen corn in the fridge, so I'm just gonna add it. I know this will be so good. Time to prep the steak. Got a pound of New York strip steak here. It looks gorgeous. All right, I'm just gonna mix together my steak rub on the side. I won't put this exact amount on it. I'm just getting it prepped for myself so it's a little easier later. Doing equal parts here of salt and pepper to give it a start. And a little bit of garlic powder, if it'll come out for me. Woo! It's like a little shower. Give it a stir. Is the phone also pointing down there? Your favorite move? I'm gonna let this sit for just a bit until it soaks up all the flavor, and that'll give me a couple minutes to make a nice sauce. Okay, so one of my favorite sauces, well, all my favorite sauces usually involve a fresh herb. When I did start teaching myself how to cook, All of it really revolved around farm to table type of cuisine. I love Mediterranean, anything that uses and utilizes fresh veggies, fruits, you name it. So I like to add those into my cooking, and today I have cilantro. I'm gonna make a very simple jalapeno cilantro sauce. It has sour cream, a little garlic, a little lime. That's gonna go perfectly with the steak and the onion pepper corn mixture that I just made. That's fine, just leave it, just leave it. I'm in a freaking rush. I am like shaking over here because I usually do have the leisure of cooking and as much time as I want. Or we just eat some frozen soup I made before. So in goes a bunch of sour cream. All right, in other words, someone wrote on my like cooking recipe the other day, oh, when you did that to the garlic, you lost all the garlic oils. Because what happened was I used this little device that squished the garlic, minces it against the board. So I'm gonna put down parchment paper so no one gets on my case again. You got it? Mm-hmm. I actually hate the taste of raw garlic, but I literally have no frickin' time. So instead of roasting it in a pan for a couple, I just gotta put it right in. Back up to the corner a little. Don't let too close to the edge. I can be a frickin' pleasure sometimes. Where's my squeezer? This is actually not the one I wanted because it's all like falling apart. So I hope no yellow paint gets in this, but we do what we can. I want all that lime juice in there. Cilantro. I'm gonna save this bite for my hamster. She loves cilantro. I'm gonna take some of the salt, pepper, garlic powder and put it in. I know I have garlic in there, but I don't have time to like redo it, so I think that'll be good. I did forget the jalapeno. I just gotta suffer through it a little bit because the gloves I bought fit my husband, but they do not fit me. I guess that was kind of a mistake on my part, so don't touch my eyes later. That's all I have to remember. Can you? Let's go. Gotta give it a taste. What a refreshing bite. The jalapeno is so freaking perfect in there. Like, it would be lacking without it. Cilantro, it's just like a beautiful creamy consistency. Let's get to the steak. My hubby being an awesome assistant. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for not judging me when I gut natto and demand things in the kitchen. I love you. I'm seriously feeling the fact that I have no freaking time. Like, I'm sweaty. I don't know if you can feel that, but I am freaking sweaty. Okay. All right, I'm gonna throw some butter in the pan, then I'm gonna throw the steak in the pan. My goal is to get it to medium rare, like hot, like pink, in the reddish pink, whatever. Done. I'm gonna pull it hopefully by like 120. I don't know, we're gonna see. I can sometimes lose track of time, just to be completely honest. I do rely on thermometers to give me a hand. This butter looks freaking great. Woo! Could you blow on it? All right, it hit about 128 and I gotta pull it because I'm a little nervous. Woo! Woo! I hope my kid does not get out of school early because I'm in trouble. I kind of absolutely love plates. Like, I kind of collect dishware and utensils and things, so I can't decide. Okay, starting with the base. Corn, onions, peppers, seasoned perfectly. Let's go.
Okay, sure.
Well, waiting is one of the toughest parts. I ain't got time to wait, so here we go. Just like a little butter to make it glisten at the end. Gonna do the honors with the hex-clad knife. Holy shitoli, this is looking freaking gorgeous. Look at that color. It's gonna look so good on the plate. It's gonna taste even better in my mouth. Well, look at that. I can't say I'm mad at it. It looks freaking delicious. The cilantro in my teeth. Make sure. Focus.
Oh, that looks.
Woo! Well, both plates look gorgeous, wouldn't you know? Look at this freaking deliciousness. Something like this, you would be lucky to get out at a restaurant. You would be lucky if they put as much love, passion, and flavor into all those caramelized vegetables. You would be lucky at a restaurant if you got steak cooked this freaking perfect. I mean, let's be honest, if you have high standards, this dish of steak New York strip is gonna freaking do it for you. And that sauce, I mean, restaurant quality sauce. You saw I just threw a few ingredients in there, but boom, it's gonna light up that freaking steak. Like, I can't even be this close to it and have my mouth not freaking salivating. Woo! So, the time has come. Going in. I could have done rice, I could have done mashed potatoes if I had more time. You do not miss it with this dish because there's so much flavor. Generous portion of the veggies. Steak is absolutely perfect. And that sauce brings so much freaking flavor. Perfect.
Oh, piece. Steak looks nicely cut. Sauce looks good. Damn. It's delicious.
I can feed it to you. What do you think?
Go.
Is it cooked perfectly or not perfectly?
Perfect.
Oh my God.